I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running.
Hi everyone, today I'm gonna walk you through entire stairs renovation process, showing you how we transform these old carpeted stairs into beautiful solid hardwood with a modern metal railing. Let's check it out. The first step in our process is to protect your existing floor by laying down a floor covering such as ramboard. It helps to prevent any damage or scratches. At the same time, we set up our dust barrier system, which helps us to separate the workspace area from the rest of the house and keep it clean. Once that's done, we bring our tools and set up our cutting station, typically in the garage. Next, we handle the prep work. This means removing the old carpet and underlay and pulling out all of the staples. For this project, the client also wanted us to eliminate this bulky bolognese on the first step and square it off for a cleaner look. Now let's focus on the stringers, which are often an overlooked part of the process. We take extra steps to sand down the old paint, fill up any holes and imperfections, and repaint them. For clients who prefer stained finish, we also offer the option of installing an old veneer to match the new steps. We might also upgrade the trim for a more modern touch. This attention to detail makes the stairs look brand new. Now comes the fun part, cutting the new steps and risers. Each piece, it's a custom cut to fit perfectly against the stringer, which means plenty of trips back and forth to the saw and a lot of precise scribing. Do you think it will fit?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's try it. After cutting all the steps and risers, we load them into the truck and take them to our workshop for staining and finishing. Staining off-site is a huge advantage because it allows the clients to keep using their stairs without an interruption. So no waiting for the stain to dry and no need to set up a camp in the basement. Here we go, the big moment, installation of the new steps. But first, there's an important step to keep those stairs quiet. We're reinforcing the existing steps with screws to prevent any squeaks. Then we'll secure the new steps with both glue and nails and fill those holes later for a smooth and seamless finish. After the stairs are secured in place, it's time for the railing installation. We are replacing the existing oval handrail with a brand new square edge design. For this project, we're going with very minimalistic style, so instead of using traditional shoes, we drill square holes and install the metal spindles directly into them. Once everything is in place, we sand and finish everything right on site.
Will you find me? Hope you find